Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have Google Chrome open a specific web page or multiple web pages automatically at startup. This is useful if you regularly visit the same websites and want them to open every time you launch Chrome. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Startup from the left-hand side. Here you'll see several options for what Chrome should do when it starts. Select Open a specific page or pages. Next, click on Add a new page. A small window will appear asking you to enter a website address. Type or paste the URL of the website you want Chrome to open automatically. For example, you can enter a website such as your email, calendar, or any other page you use regularly. Then click Add. The website will now appear in your Startup Pages list. If you want multiple websites to open when Chrome starts, click Add a new page again. Enter the URL of another website and click Add. You can repeat this process to add as many startup pages as you need. You can also click the three dots next to any page in the list to edit or remove it. Once you're finished, close the Settings tab. Now, close Google Chrome completely and open it again. The web pages you added should automatically open in separate tabs. And that's it. You've successfully set Google Chrome to open specific web pages at startup. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.